cute or put it on mute.
Hey, what's up, Pops? It's CMaddoxBiitch! And if you hear an echo in my voice, that's because I'm in my new apartment and I ain't got shit. Now today I'm going to teach you how to do a quick last-minute Halloween costume just in case you get a Hurricane Sandy that comes through your town and you procrastinated and was gonna get your costume on Monday and the bitch ruined your plans. This Halloween costume is so simple and so quick, you only need 3 products. And you're probably saying, why don't you just get into drag? Well, like I said before, I just moved and all my makeup and stuff is in boxes and I don't feel like unpacking. I just want a quick, fast Halloween costume. First, you're going to need a bottle of vodka. Because by the time you finish this bottle of vodka, you won't even give a fuck what you look like. Take it to the head, but if you ain't about this life, pour it in a cup. Step 2, I mean, you can skip this step, but I like to have a chaser. Whew. Now, step 3, let's get our costume. I'm gonna be a mummy this year. That was a fail. You don't really have to worry about your eyes, but please leave your mouth open so you can continue to drink. Woo, child. And this is also good because by the time you finish that bottle of vodka, you're gonna vomit and you're gonna need some tissue to wipe up all your vomit. You ain't about this life. So, I hope this tutorial was helpful, and until next time, keep it cute or put it on mute, and if your name is Sandy, fuck you, bitch, because you ruined my Halloween. Whew. I can't even get this shit off. Oh my god. I don't even got on clothes. CMaddoxBiitch. And she does. Because they're in teens, I'm gonna have to say Yara and Alexis.
Yeah.
Even though I love Yara.
I like both of them.
I don't really like Alexis.